Hi, this is Adam Pershouse with FR3. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use this auto leveling system. So we just pulled into this beautiful campsite. What's the first thing that we need to do? We're going to leave the ignition on, and then we're going to go ahead and hit the emergency brake. We're going to push that down. And then over here, want to check this out. You've got a panel here to your left. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. Once that comes on, it's going to say jacks up. We're just going to simply hit this auto leveling button. Once you hit that, the jacks and the system is going to start leveling you out, bringing you back and forth. Make sure you stay stationary in the unit. Don't be walking around and confusing it while it's doing its job. And then if you ever want to make adjustments on the fly, just to explain it, the front are the front two jacks, the right two jacks, the rear, the back two jacks, and the left two jacks. And then when it's time for you to go ahead and leave the campsite, again, we're gonna hit that retract button. It's gonna bring all the jacks up, and now we're ready to go. And then hit the road again. Thank you.